Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Ma Long versus Liu Shiwen, who is stronger. Ma Long triumphs over Liu Shiwen in a friendly showdown. The best male versus the best female player. In a highly anticipated friendly match between two table tennis powerhouses, Ma Long, widely regarded as the best male player, faced off against Liu Shiwen, the reigning queen of the sport. The clash between these exceptional athletes captivated fans and provided a glimpse into the contrasting playing styles exhibited by male and female players in table tennis. Ma Long, the epitome of male dominance, Ma Long, known as the Dragon, has etched his name in the annals of table tennis history. With unparalleled skills and relentless determination, he has established himself as the epitome of male dominance in the sport. Ma Long's swift footwork, explosive power, and powerful forehand attack make him a formidable force on the table. His ability to seamlessly transition between attack and defense, coupled with his unmatched consistency, has earned him numerous accolades and titles. Liu Shiwen, the queen of precision and agility. On the other side of the table, Liu Shiwen reigns supreme as the unrivaled female table tennis player. Recognized for her exceptional control, finesse, and agility, Liu Shiwen mesmerizes spectators with her fluid strokes and impeccable timing. Her style is attacking near the table. Her relentless pursuit of perfection, combined with her exceptional hand-eye coordination, allows her to execute swift and intricate shots with remarkable accuracy. The friendly showdown, Ma Long versus Liu Shiwen. The match started at 8-6. The male player will give up 2 points to the female player. As the much-anticipated friendly match between Ma Long and Liu Shiwen unfolded, fans eagerly awaited the clash of styles and the display of technical brilliance. The contrasting approaches to the game were on full display, showcasing the inherent disparities between male and female playing styles.
2局、第4局、第6局则是从9-8，女队领先1分开始打。马龙率先发球，第一个球流是，嘿，这样。 漂亮，反出台，看一个回头，好球，和自己的发球盾啊，连得2分。马龙对于刘诗雯来说，最大的难题啊，还是在接发球上。 漂亮！第2局从8-9，马龙发球。刘诗雯勾正手短，抢攻，反手相持变线。哇，好球！是快呀，而且是变在。
Contrasting playing styles, male versus female. The match highlighted the nuanced differences in playing style between male and female table tennis players. Male players, like Ma Long, often rely on explosive power and aggressive play to dominate their opponents. They excel in generating blistering speeds and ferocious smashes, seeking to overpower their adversaries. Their physical strength and quick reflexes provide them with an advantage when executing lightning-fast attacks. Conversely, female players, exemplified by Liu Shiwen, showcase remarkable finesse and intricate shot-making capabilities. They focus on precise ball placement and quick counter-attacking style over the table, employing a combination of spin and control to outwit their opponents.
Lights. 6-8.
好球，9落后。
Lights. 6.
高抛中路短的，直接抢攻，哇，这个一直现在专攻混双也有关系啊。对于男运动员拉过来的球，这种预判啊、反啊、快速跟进啊，都是这种混双大量训练后的反应。哎，好球！刘诗雯的反手空当。这球也是，哇，漂亮！马龙完全没有算到啊，刘诗雯非常轻松的拿下了第3局。高抛，哎呀，这个球刘诗雯直接开长球，反手相持。挑打，哦呦，漂亮！刘诗雯的这一次的挑打啊，一般对女孩的话，这球应该就回不来了啊。但是，漂亮！漂亮！现在对于刘诗雯来说，主要就是接马龙的发球得接好。漂亮，命中率也很高。接发球拿到了局点。这球挑得不错，第12。
Lights.
哎，开放式的站位，直接侧身抢拉直线。白短刘诗雯上手，夺回了第4局的局点。
13-14.
反手相持给中路，连续塞刘诗雯中路，刘诗雯变线，马龙是2。8，马龙让2分开始打，高抛球，哎呀，这个球。侧切，不常跟马龙打的啊，对于马龙的这个反手的侧切都不太适应，节奏上和旋转。刘诗雯发勾手，勾到正手短，马龙抢攻。哎呦，漂亮！
Ma Long emerges victorious. In the friendly match, Ma Long's formidable power and aggressive playing style ultimately proved too much for Liu Shiwen to handle. Ma Long has a great serve and 3 RT ball attack. His relentless attacks and well-placed shots kept Liu Shiwen on the defensive throughout the match. Despite her exceptional skills, Liu Shiwen struggled to counter Ma Long's onslaught and succumbed to his relentless pressure. Who is stronger?
你上来，勾一个正手短，反手上手，连续。这样嘛，刘诗雯这边要暂停了。 9-10。
The friendly match between Ma Long and Liu Shiwen showcased the contrasting playing styles that characterize male and female table tennis players. Ma Long's explosive power and attacking prowess contrasted with Liu Shiwen's finesse and precision. In the end, Ma Long is stronger than Liu Shiwen. The best male player is stronger than the best female player at that time. Today, Liu Shiwen retired.
刘诗雯发球，哇，马龙接发球。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.